Alright, so in my friend's house, he got this bull, right? And I'm being an ass, but I'm totally literal. Oh, this bitch. It says I got 20% battery. Oops.
Wait.
So look, I said, look, my friend, this is my bowl, right? And I put my finger in the mouth, right? And I put
Big D.
no, and I put the bowl like this between my legs, right? And I said,
Big D.
ooh, I'm a bull. I'm fucking live.
Big D don't share a bull.
He told me I can't take it home, but I'm so little.
You're not taking it home.
I'm fucking live.
Dude.
Bullgang. Gang, if you know what I mean. Ain't she the prettiest? Look.
How in God's name would I make this shit up?
You can't. That's the beauty of life. It's so real you can't make it up.
Ryan Lucas.
Blows your mind, huh?
Help! Give me an agent.
Deuces. Peace be with you. Just live your life. Hey, ain't got no time for no haters. Hey, ain't no coincidence. Move. Move. Bullgang. Welcome at Smile, baby. This man can't stop laughing. Right. We make it a great time. I am greatness. And if you can't get it together, not my problem. God is real. Whatever label you need to understand.
In the face with that ball.
I love you, baby. We out of here.